Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. Nice seeing you here again. So I want to say, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you just find yourself here for the first time, I welcome you back to Knitting Catalog. So right now I want to share a pattern with you that is family of talks pattern, and it's in one color. It's very amazing in one color, beautiful in one color. So as I usually do, I've already select the needle as it's going to be working with each other, like the needle layout. So this is two by the side are not going to work. The two needles by the side are not going to work, and the layout is like three needles each, and we are going to be manipulating them to bring out this tux design. So let's get down to business. So guys, I've already cast on and knitted some few rows as usual. So I'm going to bring out the needle selection once again for this pattern. So as I explained earlier, that is going to be in three needle sets. So let me just bring them out, then and now start to explain how we are going to manipulate the needles. So this is side needle that is not going to work, the border needle. So right now I'm going to go straight to this set of three needles and transfer this stitch to this, and the next one to this side. So that's it. I'm going to do this to all the ones that are at the back, the three selection that are at B position. So I'm just going to transfer the side stitches to this one. So then this to this, that's it. So let me straighten them and let's see. So I'm now having three sets with one needle, three sets, three needle and one needle, three needle and one needle, just to the end of my cast on needle. So right now I'm going to push this one to E position and leave this one, that is the single needle at the center now, at the center. So I'm going to push this one and leave this one on, leave it on B position just like that, and push this one. I'm going to leave this one and push this one to E position. Then I'm going to set my carriage to hold on position and knit 8 rows. So I've already put my weight on, because anytime you want to knit what to make you to push your needle to E position, you have to like put enough weight for it to hold it properly. So I'm going to go 8 rows. 8, that's 8. So I'm not going to touch my hold on knob. I'm not going to touch it. Instead, I'm going to push this back. Let them shift back to D position. Yes, I'm going to push them back and go to this one. I'm going to leave this one and go to this one and push it to E. Then the next one and push it to E. And this next one, push to E and knit 8 rows. 8. That's 8 rows. So I'm going to push it back to E position and go to the other one I've already pushed out for the first time and push them to E, just this one. So what I'm doing now, I'm working with this single needle at the center of this tree and interchange them the way I'm pushing them out. So you can see. So I'm going to knit 8 row in which my hold on knob is still on hold on. So I did not touch it. So I'm going to continue to be knitting 8 rows as I'm alternating the needles into E position. Eight. So then I go here, push this one back, this one to E, and the next one. So then knit 8 rows. 7, 8. So I'm going to push them back to D position and push this one out to E position and knit 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it. That's how you will be alternating the needles for them to give you this adorable pattern. So I'm going to knit few rows so that we can see what we have at the back, at the front side of the pattern. So let me knit few rows. Bring this together. Okay, you can see the back is very fine. I think this packing up of the wool is very beautiful, as if it's butterfly kind of design. So this is the back. I told you it's a family of dogs pattern. So let's see the front. You can see the way the front is so adorable and so easy to knit. I must confess, you don't need to do much just to be bringing out those needle and alternate them. Then immediately you do your layout, then just be bringing out needles to E position and push the other one to D position and knit this pattern. So beautiful. I hope you will find time to try this on your own. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up to my video after watching. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.